Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week we are planning the week of November 4th through November 10th. It is election day week if you are in a municipality or area where there are elections. It's also right before Veterans Day, and I've got some personal things going on this week. I'll be using a kit from Sweet Bean Plans, and with that, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm using a kit from Sweet Bean Plans, and there may have been a name for this one, but I don't recall it anymore. It's been a little while since I purchased this kit. This is a foiled kit. It's got orange foil on it, and I don't know if I move it how much will show up. My lighting is not great right now. It's pretty overcast here, and I did have the blinds open, but then I discovered there was a lizard in the windowsill, and my husband's not home right now, so until my husband is home, he's gonna have to be content to stay in the windowsill until my husband can trap him and take him outside. I don't do lizards, geckos, frogs, insects, any of that kind of stuff. It's just not my thing. For me, that's what my husband is for. Anyway, I digress. This is a foiled kit. This is the washi, the weekly sticker, some glitter covers, and then some date covers here. Then we've got functional stickers here, some half boxes, event stickers, habit trackers, icons, that kind of thing. Some more functional stickers here. We've got some headers, some little labels here, some meal plan labels, TV shows, etc. And then checklists. We've got the heart full box checklist, and then also the kind of like the floating checklist as well. And then we've got the full boxes. This is foiled as well, and I love this because it's got fall and it's got pink in it, but it also has Harry Potter and Wuthering Heights, which are definitely two of my favorite books. This one I chose because, of course, it's still November, we're still in fall, but also this Friday we have our staff development day, and this year's theme is Harry Potter. They do like a theme every single year to try and make it more fun for staff, and to reuse some of the decor that we create in-house for our Harry Potter event at work every summer. We are going to make sure that we use those materials this week for staff development day, and so they'll kind of have a second life after the event. So I'm really excited to use this kit and to plan, and what I will start with is the date cover, so we'll go back to the beginning and just go from there. Are done, so the next thing I'm going to do is cover this up here as usual, and I'll probably put a meal plan sticker there. I actually have not done my meal plan yet. I need to do that today, probably after this video, so I will probably go ahead and just leave that blank. Actually, I was going to put, Ayixa is so smart. I was gonna go ahead and put a like sticker on top of it to indicate what it was for, but there actually is already one there, so I don't need to do that. And I do still have my Halloween cover on, but I do plan on changing it out probably this weekend. So I just went ahead and put the things that I do. We always do Taco Tuesday, and Friday I have plans, so I will be doing happy hour instead, and I won't be having dinner at home. Sorry about that. As I mentioned, my husband is not here, so my son is in the living room, and he just walked in to ask me to change what he's watching on Netflix again. 5-year-olds. Anyway, I don't want to really lose my train of thought, so meal plan is down. Date covers are down, and so what I am going to do, and I don't think she has this kind of a sticker, but I probably can modify one of the heart checklists to size, and that's kind of like the top 3 I've been doing the last few weeks. And I think I'll do this like lighter brown. Yeah. But what I'll do is cut the stickers so it's just the top 3. Couldn't couldn't find the habit trackers for a second. Don't know why I was having trouble finding those. And I didn't even grab the right sticker. Oh my gosh. Apparently this is going to be a hot mess playing with me this week, so I apologize in advance. So let's move on to Monday. I actually don't think I have anything on Monday, so just kidding. We don't need anything for Monday. Tuesday, in the evening, we have an SSP phone call. So I'll put that here. It's also, this is us on Tuesday, which I think I'm a week behind. But I'll perpetually be a week behind so long as we keep having admin calls on Tuesdays, so, but it's okay. That morning I'll also be publishing a plan with me, so I'm trying to see if there's anything right offhand that kind of fits, but not exactly. Kind of skipping ahead, but since I already know it's going to happen, I feel like I might as well just put it down. I have my memory planning from October video that will go up Thursday is the plan. Actually, I probably just should have grabbed 2 of those YouTube stickers, but wasn't really thinking. So Thursday will be my check-in for, where do I want to put that? Do I have anything Thursday night? Yeah, kind of. I'll put it here. No. There's a football game Thursday night, and I think it's unlikely that I will put, well, yeah, no, I'm not going to put the meal plan there, so I can stick this here. Never mind. The 2 check-in will happen on Thursdays. I have a gratitude challenge happening on my blog right now. It's a little bit different from most gratitude challenges you see this time of year, where it's kind of like open-ended and you can kind of just reflect on different things that happen each day during the month of November. This is a little bit more structured in that I'm asking you to be thinking about things from this past year that you could be grateful for. And so it's already begun, but there's still time to catch up if you're interested in participating. And you don't have to do it this month. If you decide, I can't this month, I already feel too behind, I want to try it for December, you can always do it then too. It's just a 28-day challenge. It goes from, started on the 1st and goes through Thanksgiving. Back to the first part of the week, since I kind of jumped ahead. Wednesday night I have a concert to go to, and I think I mentioned last week that I wasn't sure if my husband was going to be able to go because he's starting a new seasonal job, so my sister is actually coming with me instead, and I'm really excited because it's going to be a really fun time for the 2 of us. It's a band that I love, that I've loved for lots of years, and I've yet to see them. Well, actually it's not true. I saw them in concert. They were an opening act for Kings of Leon, I think, when I saw Kings of Leon eons ago, like almost 10 years ago, but this will be my first time just seeing the Black Keys as the main act, which I'm really excited about. So, and that actually reminds me I'll be having dinner out that night, so it's one less day I have to meal plan for. And I have these stickers from the Smushed Peach, which the smaller footballs are all gone, but I'm just going to cut this a little bit and get rid of the game day part since I don't really use that or need it. holiday things, so what I'm going to do is I pulled the confetti dot washi from Simply Gilded in the gold, and it's just a basic white washi, and that'll be kind of how I mark this here. I haven't used this technique in a little while. It's been a couple of weeks, probably since the summer, since I've done something like this. We always end staff development day, my coworkers and I, with the happy hours, so put that here. Kind of messed up that part there, but it'll be okay. It's kind of covering how I messed up, but it's fine. I'd rather it kind of cover up where I messed up. I'm gonna just, you guys get the idea. So that's Friday. Saturday, I'm home, I'm off, but I have a bunch of stuff to do. So I'm gonna whip out a heart checklist, full box. One of the things that I have to do is pick up something that I ordered from Kit Life. I ordered the holiday planner, and I requested that I could pick it up in the store, and I was actually hoping to go today, but by the time I would have gotten there it would have been too late. So instead I will pick it up next week. Sunday, what I'll probably do is do my editing that day. And if you are wondering, my stickers here are from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. They're emojis. And then I've just got the YouTube logo as kind of like a hand doodle here. That's it for the things that I have written down here on my list pad. So now I will go ahead and put in fill boxes. Oh, before I put a full box down, let me put my Coffee Monday sticker. She's got like a Ray Dunn inspired sheet that I love. I was going to put that orange down, or the pumpkins down, but it's got a little bit too much orange, so I'm going to do this instead because it's got some more pink in it. So I have options for washi here, and I just need to think about if I want to use them or not. Oh crap, I think I put makeup there. I do have a bunch of overlays, so I might stick one in there because it's gonna bother me. It's my own fault. I probably touched my nose and transferred something. I think I just said overlays. I meant to say flat lays. I do also have overlays, but that's not what I'm looking for right now. I'll put like a workout one because I have been trying to get back to working out. So to what I was trying to do, which was put the washi down. I don't know if I'm going to use this washi. You guys know how I am about using the washi that comes with the kit. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. No. It's beautiful, but it's just too much of the same for me. So I did pull washi, anticipating that this would be the choice that I made. So, and I don't think there's going to be very much deliberation this time. There's a lot of orange, so even though there's some kind of repetitive pink happening here, I feel like it's okay because I feel like it's going to break up some of this orange. This orange is a little bit richer than most of the orange that's in here, but it does have some of that deeper orange, like the candle a little bit, and even like the foil, depending on what angle you look at it, it can be a little bit of a deeper orange, so I feel like it's okay. Kind of interested in putting some of these glitter headers just to kind of add a little something. Alright, so I put some of these glitter headers in just to kind of add something extra. I wish I had a little bit more because I probably would have done some here too, but I don't want to like overdo it either. So everything I think is in. Yeah. This is going to be it for this plan with me. I'll make sure it's in frame so you guys can see everything. If you had questions about things that I did or stickers that I used, of course, please let me know. I'd be happy to answer you in the comments, but I will try and link everything in the description below. If you're interested in participating in my gratitude challenge, as I mentioned, I'll have a link in the description as well to my blog. Ooh, can't talk. My blog is called Prosecco and Planners, and you can definitely join me. There's, you know, it's not too late to participate, and if, like I said, you are like, no, I kind of want to do things as they should happen, then you're always welcome to do it for the month of December. With that, we're going to go ahead and call this one finished. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber already, please consider subscribing. To all of my longtime subscribers and recent ones, thank you for being here, and thank you for coming back each week and watching my videos. And I hope you all have a lovely day and an awesome week.